This is Jamie Drummond for Good Food Revolution. I'm here with Angela and Melissa at Two Sisters down on the Niagara River. How are you both today?
We're wonderful.
Great. How are
Thank you.
Now, an integral part of the whole Two Sisters experience is this wonderful restaurant that we have behind us. Something that I believe you have certainly had a hand in. If you wouldn't mind telling us a little bit about that, that would be fantastic.
What goes better with food than wine and vice versa? So Kitchen 76 basically is an extension of the winery itself. All the selections, so all the menu items and features that we have are selected very carefully to showcase the wines that we produce, that we grow and produce here at Two Sisters.
And you have been integral in the development of the menu, I believe.
Yes. So, I mean, we love our food. I mean, we love our wine, we love our food. So basically with the menu itself, it's a family affair. So my mom and my grandmother have been back. They're cooking with Chef Justin in the kitchen. Our tomato sauce itself took us 6 months to perfect because we're very, very particular.
6 months?
6 months,
Good
yes.
Lord.
So yes, I mean, a lot of the dishes come from our own family table. So it's very important that we're able to, have our guests enjoy what we love to enjoy as a family as well.
And it's simple Italian food done well. And I always say that there's three most important ingredients in the Italian cuisine, and that is imported extra virgin olive oil, San Marzano tomato, and basil. And you'll see those three beautiful ingredients in almost all of our dishes. So we celebrate the family table here.
And how do you embrace the whole idea of seasonality and what is available from the wonderful basket of fruits and vegetables you can find in Ontario?
So our menu changes seasonally to reflect that. We'll have our root vegetables in the fall paired with wonderful poultry or veal dishes, but definitely those hearty vegetables are there. And everything is selected with regards to the menu items for that season, for sure. And in the summer months and spring, we use a lot of our fruit that has been grown on the property in our chutneys and our desserts. So,
I mean, Chef Justin does have relationships as well with growers within the region and in the area. So we're always making sure that we are supporting the local farmers in the area. It's very, very important to us. In fact, the farmers, even Niagara College, we do have a lot of students from Niagara College who do help out in the kitchen as well. So we are definitely like to support all of the things around us in terms of
local community.
Yeah.
Now you have a working farm on the property as well.
Yes.
Yes, we have rabbits and we have chickens and we have
It's a
goats
menagerie
and lambs.
a menagerie of we could basically build a ship and call it Noah's Ark and have the animals to fill it. So there are sheep, there are goats, there are chickens, rabbits. We get baskets of eggs on a daily basis.
Lovely.
We've got a vegetable garden, and the kids are out there, and we enjoy it as a family, most of all.
And you are, for the most part, open every day barring holidays, are you not?
Yes, correct.
I have to come down here more often. That was the most delicious lunch.
Oh, excellent.
Thank you.
Good.
Well, thank you very much for hosting us once again.
We loved having you.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon, I hope.
Thank you so much.